Ozark Geek here. Alright, you've watched, been watching my channel for a little bit. You've been watching our progression. This is a 32-foot camper that we bought, I guess three and a half years ago now, that we moved up to, moved to Arkansas with. Very nice camper for its age. It's a 1991, and it has served us well for the time that we've had it. It is not designed to live in full time. So what we did is, where we used to live, you saw the video when we moved, we had that trailer set on this point here. That lasted about a week, 2 weeks. And we went and decided that we wanted to look at another trailer. So we bought this one. And it's 34 foot, but it's got a couple of slide outs, so it's got more room. And so in buying this one, we had to move that one from that spot. All right, part of our moving over here was going to be having a septic, and we found out that we couldn't have the septic put in here at this location, so we got it put in over here, and thus we had to move the trailer from that spot. So what about this spot now, you're probably asking yourself? That's a lot of empty space. Well, if you remember looking at the first video when we started the first move, there was a mobile home on the property. It's an old mobile home that we have used for storage space. So what we're going to do is we're going to move that mobile home onto this property at some time in the near future. Right now we're in the process of emptying the inside of that mobile home so that we can have storage, make it lighter to transport. So everything, we've used that mobile home as storage, so everything that was in that trailer that's going to go on this spot is currently under these tarps. And well, actually everything, it's not actually everything, but the majority, we've got over half of what we brought and packed is put into that and under this tarp until we can get the trailer marked. So this is the basics of move number 3, partial move number 4, if you can say that. So, but one of the reasons why I like where we're at is I get to go down this walk. Nice tree-lined walk. Doesn't look as pretty as it will in the spring when the leaves come out, everything's green again. But I'm going to enjoy it. In the meantime, as far as autumn, in this past week, we've had a couple of good windstorms. We've had some cool temperatures. Last night we had a crazy rain here, so about half the leaves are gone off of all the trees. And it's going to be enjoyable. So in the future, you'll probably be seeing me making videos after I walk through here and settle down. And I enjoy it. It's peaceful. It's quiet. It's a place to get away from things. So Don and I kind of like it. And if you listen, it's very quiet. So, excuse me, had to sneeze. Sorry about that. So if you get a chance to, kick back and enjoy and think about getting away from the city, living a quiet life, a little bit of privacy, and it's just relaxing. It's peaceful. It's kind of hard to say. If you've never lived life out in the woods like this, you have no idea what you're missing, and it's kind of like full-time camping. So I live in a camper full-time, so I guess I'm full-time camping. And I'll do is fill this in. I've got a couple more videos that we sliced today with the guy's moving, so I'm going to put it all together in a single video and you guys get a chance to watch it. With that, I'm going to say goodbye. Shalom, and may the Father be with you. Ozark Geek out.